Meaning of grounding.
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 Grounding. Grounding refers to the practice of connecting oneself with the natural environment, typically by walking barefoot on the earth or immersing oneself in water. It is believed to have numerous benefits for physical and emotional health, including reducing inflammation, improving sleep quality, and reducing anxiety levels. Grounding may also help to balance the body's electrical charge by facilitating the exchange of electrons between the body and the earth. Overall, this practice is thought to promote a sense of calm and well-being, and many people find it to be an effective complement to other wellness practices.